What's up, guys? I was gifted this combination CO flammable gas meter. Gives you your water temperature in the air, your ambient temperature. It's got a CO readout and a warning for gas. You can either plug it in. Obviously, it runs off a rechargeable battery, Type C. If you're using the battery, you could simply remove the plug. If you want to take it with you on vacation, hotels, Airbnbs, tents, camping, we're going to go ahead and pack this up with us for Bike Week. So it works as simply as when there's a gas leak, super handy. Get a little fresh air in there. And there you go. Every house needs one. Every camper, every traveler.